All right, the last video went over the top problems on P89, but I am going to go over the 2 word problems on P89. And then in this video, I'm also going to cover 1 and 2, the first 2 problems on P90. All right, number 13, according to the U.S. Census Bureau, 3/25 of all adults in the United States visited a zoo in 2007. What percent of all adults in the United States visited a zoo in 2007? So I need to change 3/25 to a percent. That means per 100. So what do I have to multiply 25 by to get it up to 104? And actually, I believe we did this exact same problem, or at least used these exact same numbers on an earlier problem in one of the earlier videos. 3 times 4 is 12, so 12 per 100, or 12%. Okay, number 14, a bag contains red and blue marbles. Given that 17/20 of the marbles are red, what percent of the marbles are blue? Well, red and blue would be 20/20. That would be all of them. So 17/20 are red, so that leaves 3/20 as being the rest of the marbles or all of the blue marbles. So 3/20, we want to write it as a percent, so we want to make it per 100. 20 times what is 100? 20 times 5. Multiply the top by the same thing. It's going to give me 15 per 100, or 15%. Okay. Number 1 now on P90. So I'm on the back side of the homework. The portion of shoppers at a supermarket who pay by credit card is 0.36. What percent of shoppers at the supermarket do not pay by credit card? Do not. So again, 100% of the shoppers, or all of the shoppers, would be 1.00. That would be 100% or all the shoppers. So if we take away the ones who pay by credit card, we take away the ones that pay by credit card, then we're going to have left over the ones that do not pay by credit card. So I'm going to have to do some subtraction here. 10 minus 6 is 4. 9 minus 6 is 6, decimal 0. So now I have to change 0.64 to a percent. To do that, I multiply by 100 or move my decimal over twice. I'll let you write the final percent here. Okay, number 2, about 23/40 of a lawn is planted with Kentucky bluegrass. What percent of the lawn is planted with Kentucky bluegrass? Well, again, I have that denominator of 40, which we've already decided there's nothing I can multiply 40 by, at least no whole number that I can multiply 40 by to get a denominator of 100. So for this particular problem, I'm going to have to go the little more challenging route of dividing the denominator into the numerator. So 40 can't go into 23, so I have to add a decimal, add a 0, bring my decimal straight up. 40 goes into 235 times, which is 200. Subtract gives me 30. Add a 0, bring it down. And I'll let you go ahead and finish this math out to get that final percent. But again, if you need any help, don't hesitate, raise your hand. All right, thanks again for watching. I'll see you on the next one.